Welcome to SAP AppGyver in 1 minute. Today I'm going to show you some options to make sure you can navigate between pages in AppGyver. One option is to use the navigation menu. The menu is displayed and you can switch forth and back between the pages. Each icon represents a page. Another option is to give a menu or a specific page to choose from the pages themselves. Here I have stored the page with the policies, to which you can always go back during the offer check and the conclusion. In the example, you have also seen another possibility. By confirming the message that appeared, I was redirected to another page. This can be set up in the logic section. With the logic open page, I can set the target page. This logic can also be linked to pretty much all the other elements, such as images or buttons. The same goes for the logic navigate back, which simply takes me back to the previous page. I hope you got an impression of the navigation in SAP AppGyver. See you next time.